Greetings. I'm Seema Handa, Managing Director, Eklavya School. Change or transformation has been one of the cornerstones of the teaching pedagogy at Eklavya. We embrace change or disruptions, new developments, new technologies as a part of our daily routine. This has helped us to prepare for various changes as they have occurred, not only due to the COVID-19 today or due to the pandemic today, but even previously, whenever there have been changes in the education system, either internal or external, they have been implemented with great enthusiasm and gusto. Eklavya has a young set of energetic, open-minded set of teachers, very committed to ensuring that not only do they deliver the syllabus or the curriculum, but also ensuring that the larger objective of education is also ensured while the curriculum is being delivered. Not just the syllabus, but the socialization of students, their exposure to values, value-based education, their exposure to life skills, which is actually the larger objective of providing education to a student. Continuous training, continuous upskilling, in-house trainings, external trainings, all these have ensured that the staff or the teachers and the educators are continuously energized and open to new inputs and suggestions and disruptions that may happen. The recent COVID-19 pandemic has made the entire future of education uncertain, disruptive, and unclear about what the future will hold. But for Eklavya, it already was an event which we were partially prepared for. In March itself, we started realizing, or we started sensing the winds of change. Generally our classes, 10th and 12th, start at the beginning of March and were well into the syllabus when suddenly on 16th of March the schools were closed. On 22nd March, the national lockdown was announced, and from 23rd March, Punjab was the first state to announce curfew. However, I'm happy to share that due to the efforts, due to the ability of our teachers and educators to react to the situation, classes went on uninterrupted for 10th and 12th standard from 25th March itself. Within a couple of days, the classes were totally and smoothly shifted from physical classes to digital classes, and the entire school was online from the 1st of April as per schedule. So right from nursery to 12th standard, all classes as per schedule, as per a timetable, are being conducted regularly, daily, and syllabus and curriculum is moving as per plan. However, as I mentioned, education is not merely the covering of syllabus. It has a much larger objective. It has to engage students over socialization. It has to expose students to value-based education, to the life skills which will prepare the student for the future career and life in general. So that objective cannot be sacrificed just because the classes have moved from physical to digital. In fact, the entire purpose of education is defeated if it is limited merely to the coverage of syllabus or curriculum and books and tablets. Incredible use of technology which is embraced with enthusiasm, technology which is explored with vigor and applied effectively. That is the philosophy at Eklavya, and we been able to move smoothly from physical to digital classes because of our strong emphasis and strong dependence, strong internalization of the technology and all the available facilities, whether it is the digital content, whether it is the digital platforms. Various opportunities have been utilized for the best interests of these students to ensure not only that we are covering the syllabus and exposing our students, but also to ensure that that syllabus delivery is actually effective. How to ensure or how to be confident that my students have actually absorbed, understood, and internalized the concepts that have been taught. So to that effect, assessment, monitoring plays a very, very important role, which in itself is a challenge when moved from physical to digital platforms. However, that is a challenge which has been also addressed with regular testing, regular monitoring to ensure not only that the syllabus is covered, but the learning outcomes, which are actually more important, are being achieved, and each milestone is being touched to ensure that all children are progressing. It is important to ensure that the entire class or the entire set of children are moving forward and nobody gets left behind. At the same time, to ensure that the children are engaged in the classes, the teachers are constantly devising different means and activities to ensure that the students remain engaged in the entire teaching learning process. Another aspect of the education, a very important aspect, is the parents of the students. Now, in this situation where there is an enforced homeschooling, the parent is equally involved and in fact is equally concerned about the progress of the child, of the entire change, adjusting to the entire change and the method of education. And at Eklavya, we have made sure that the parent is as engaged, is equally involved and engaged in the education process of the student. This has been achieved through direct communication, frequent and regular communication with the parents, with the teachers, with the students, to ensure that all three are in the picture and are clear and aware of the progress as well as the changed methodology. And another aspect to this communication is to ensure that we make it a two-way process. It should not it should not happen or remain a one-way communication. So there, on one end, the teacher is ensuring that the students are engaged through feedback, through communication. At the other end, it is also ensured, the school is also ensuring that the parents remain equally engaged through direct communication with the teacher, through online and offline surveys, where the parents also get an opportunity to share their feedback, their suggestions, their valuable inputs, which can be utilized to make the process smoother, to make the process that much more effective, and ensure that the learning outcomes that we are looking for are fully achieved. Our observation at Eklavya is that the field of education is seeing a sea world of change today. The trigger may have been the COVID pandemic, but the changes which are happening are here to stay. We develop and grow to an extent that it will be possible through the use of artificial intelligence to ensure that assessment is correct and fair and honest, and will ensure that the learning outcomes that are actually desirable are being achieved through the online digital process. parental involvement in the education of children will go up, which I personally feel is an excellent opportunity. Is a huge uptick in the not only in the education of the children, but also in their growth and development. As we mentioned, this will have a very positive outcome on their social, behavioral values, and also on their life skills, which will see a huge development because of the closer involvement of the family in the entire education process. These changes, I feel, are going to be more relevant and immediate in the short term and the medium term, especially in the field of education. The disruption that we are seeing today is here to stay, and there is no going back to the way education was. How each institute or the entire industry adapts, or how quickly the industry adapts to these changes, is going to decide the success or failure of each institute. The more we open ourselves to change, the more we are willing to adopt and adapt to technology, the faster we will grow and the better we will fare.